Baby girl, where are you? Oh, we're just gonna put our suits on today so that we can get those 2 honey boxes, and I might get into crazy hive, so I just wanted to be on guard. Phew!
Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through. As long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
Sure, I wanted to get video. They're stealing my honey. Okay. Now it's in my pocket. Go, quick. No limits. This is the baby. That's the comb? Yeah. Holy. Why is it so gross? You can't even get it. It's like crusted. Go, quick. Yes. Got a pig nose. See, they almost got it all. You did some work. Oh, there's a wasp. Singing though? No. Do I take this one? We've got a bit on there. Why are you flipping it to me? Now they're getting angry. We'll pop this off and I'll bring it over to our box. You want to look in your other one? Just check. We have just a metal frame set up, and we're just putting all of our frames and boxes in there that aren't full or capped, so the bees can salvage that tomorrow morning. Just working on it. All the comb is freaking ready. Not ready, but like they're getting her done. Take it off or want to leave it? Let's see what happens. Just leave it, and if they make any honey, I could just add it to the bottom. And again, you know what I mean? Let's take this off and just make sure they have honey in their box. And if not, then we'll take it off so that they focus. But if they do, then we'll just leave it on. Right? Night beekeepers for real. Take like an outside thing. Oh, that one is full of back there. I'll get my box off and then I don't think it's a good idea. Because everyone's home. Oh. Hold the towel over. Okay, now I'm just gonna take the honey soup off of Queen May. Look at baby girl. And we'll show you again just our towel wrapping and what we do with the other boxes.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain.
So I've just put the boxes there with any empty frames or partially full frames or unkept honey so the bees can steal that away. It does cause some robbing behavior, but I'd rather them reuse what they got, and I'll just make sure all the other hives are sealed up well. Queen Barbara doesn't even have enough honey in her hive, so Queen Anne is making some full frames of honey for us that I'm going to pop in there in the next week or two so that she's good for the winter. But I also should do a full hive inspection during the day sometime soon too on that hive.
Don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you.
My suit on because it's a little bit crazy right now, and I'm worried about carrying these boxes home with bare arms and hands.
Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that